Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok account. And of course, TikTok is a very popular app. If you don't have the application already, simply go to the Google Play Store, TikTok. Please note, if you're not able to download the app, I have separate tutorials on how you can use various methods to download the application. So as you can see here, this is TikTok. Install, mine is already installed. You can always open there as usual, or you can come down here. You can find the application. TikTok should be the latest if you've just installed it. All right, so here we go. So once you hit on the TikTok application as seen here, you should get the option to sign in. So it gives you sign up for an account. Of course, you might not see it right off the bat. So just in case, you can go into your inbox, but of course you're not signed in. So in order to create the account, go over to me, and that is the profile picture right here. Go over to me, and you should see the option to sign up for an account. Now this is the best part. So what you're gonna do from here, as it relates to TikTok, is you're just gonna go ahead and hit sign up. All right, so you have several options here. All right, so we're gonna sign up for the TikTok account. So we're gonna use phone or email. And of course, first thing you want to see is your date of birth. I'm going to enter that right now. All right, so once you sign up the date of birth, hit next, and it does run you through here. It's going to ask you for your phone number to sign up. If you want to keep it simple, you don't have to use your phone number. You can use your email. Option is yours, so you're going to enter your email. All right, so there's my email. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the continue button. All right, so once you're here, go ahead and hit the next button. Is right there, so just hit next. All right, so it should bring up this, and this is just a test. It says what's this, drag this slide to fill the puzzle. So I'm just gonna go ahead. All right, so for the puzzle, simply drag this slider across until it matches the cutout, and let go just as the slider matches the cutout. It takes a little while to get it though. But of course, as I was saying, all right, so you're going to create a password. It must be at least 8 characters. It must contain letters, numbers, and special characters. So once we're here, simply go ahead and hit next. Once the criteria is met, it should say there, check your username if it's good. As for me, it's good. So in case anybody want to check me out, that's my username. And of course, from here, I'm just going to hit sign up. Suggested gives you other options in case you can create a custom handle. All right, so next you're gonna hit sign up. All right, so once you're finished, you should be here and you should see your profile pic. All right guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.